Following on from my flasher video, this module, the TinyRTC module, needs to have a backup battery fitted, and there was a comment from Zaprodk on my last video, which was quite helpful. This module is actually meant to have a rechargeable type battery, so you put a lithium battery in here, and if you look carefully at the circuitry here, you can see that there's a little diode here, and some of these other resistors are part of a charging circuit, so that when you have a rechargeable lithium battery here, it charges up whenever the system is powered up, and then if you take power off, the battery is providing the backup voltage for the clock chip here, so that it's battery backed. Now, a common problem with these is that people assume that you can put a regular battery in here. So if you put a regular non-rechargeable battery, then the battery can be damaged because there's current flowing into it, and this is what Zapro reminded me of in the comments, so thanks very much for that. So there's a very interesting site where they've have the schematic of this. So they've shown how this is constructed, and I'll put that in the link down below, so you can look at that site if you want. And it shows also how to remove these components if you want to use the TinyRTC with a regular battery, so like a 2032 or a 2016 regular off-the-shelf battery. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take my flasher circuit from the last video, and I'm going to modify it. I'm going to take off all these components. First we remove the diode, so D1. Try and heat it up and flip up one end. Now we need to get rid of resistor R6. And also R4. Now I'm going to bridge that gap. So where R6 was, I'm going to bridge with a little piece of wire. There we go, the modification's complete. So there we are, finally this is what we end up with. The flasher circuit now, you can see here the components, several of the components are gone, there's a bridge there. So this can now be used with a regular battery. So I've got a 2016 battery there, which is what I had in my drawer here. So there we go, we've converted it into a battery backed clock module that's safe to use with off-the-shelf batteries.